Hello, my soapy friends, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Lissa, also known as the Soap Chef on this channel, where we make all things with a rather good lather. I've been a maker in this industry for over 2 decades. We are a 3D bath bomb mold supplier, and my favorite products to make, of course, are bath bombs. But that's enough about me. Let's get right into the video. Hey guys, just a real quick unboxing video today. I just received this last night. I purchased a soap cutter from Uncle Andy's on Etsy, and it is for the melt and pour. Because a lot of my customers have been asking for glycerin soaps, which is your melt and pour. And I don't work like in individual bars, like in the silicone molds. I have to do like big batches at a time to make it, worth my while. So I will be offering some glycerin melt and pour soaps this coming year. So I figured let me go ahead and order that soap cutter from Uncle Andy's that can cut your melt and pour soap logs a little bit easier. So let's take a look at what we got. I have not peeked. Normally I do. I'm really bad about that. All right, so it's packed really well with lots of this packing paper, which I'm going to repurpose. Wow, it's packed really well. Oh, cool. And they also gave me a little wooden block here if I wanted to make different sizes. If I wanted to cut my soap bar 1 inch or 1 1/4 inches, he included a little block that you would put in there to set your measurement at. That's cool. All right, extremely sharp blade, handle with care. I don't know if that's backwards for you guys, probably. All right, so we will be handling this with care because I can see the blade, and yeah, let's just be careful. So let's get you out of here. Get rid of the box, which I will repurpose that as well. And let's take a looky-loo here. Wow. So I don't know how to use this. I'll figure it out. Obviously, the blade is down here. Let's turn it that way. Let's see if you can see it a little bit better this way. The blade is down here, so you really want to be careful. It's extremely sharp, as they said. But this is really nice. It's got a little inset here with his information. It's got some padded feet, so it won't slide too much. All right. I don't know how. I guess I have to unscrew all of these things to get the blade to come up and down. I'm not going to do that right now. It's not necessary. But anyways, like I was saying about this little piece here is how you set it. You would unscrew this piece and you would move this according to how thick you want your bar of soap. And then you would use this if you want 1 inch or 1 1/4 inch. You would put that there and move this little piece up to that block and then screw it back down tight so that you'll know that those are correct measurements, which is kind of cool. That's really interesting. I was going to go ahead and print one, do a 3D printed one, but he included one, so great. And a little screwdriver. Cool. All right, Uncle Andy. Well, thanks so much for the melt and pour soap cutter. In addition to that, I wanted to show you guys, let me get rid of this. I wanted to show you guys these couple of pieces that I am going to be listing momentarily within the next 5 minutes for the Arbor press. People have been asking. They've been asking a lot. And I said after the new year. Well, it's after the new year, so let's go. All right, so this is the Arbor press that I use, okay? I'll turn it around this way so you guys can see which kind. Because this plate and this plunger piece will only work with this model. And it will not work. I've had a lot of people asking me, actually, will this work with a juice press if they try to modify a juice press? No, it will not. These pieces were made specifically for this Arbor press and only this Arbor press because there are lots of them. We got this at Harbor Freight. It was $65. And I already have a couple of other friends who have also went out and purchased this Arbor press at Harbor Freight, and they have received these pieces because this is just a stainless steel plate that comes with it, and it was very sharp. And I absolutely would cut my fingers. I know that I would. And then I just needed another little piece. We've got the block So there's the block with the screws. It'll just hold that in place. It doesn't screw down and hold it in like completely. You're gonna have to use some electrical tape to really make sure that it's on there. But anyways, it's got the block and then the bottom part of the round plunger. And that just goes right on the bottom here, as you can see mine. Here's mine. Can you guys see that? Okay, so here's mine. And as you can see, we've got some electrical tape around there just to make sure. This is just, the screws are just to hold it there while you tape it. Okay, and so that's it. You're gonna receive the bottom plate and the plunger piece with the screws in it. It's going to come with instructions on how to do everything. My husband generously took the time out to go ahead and make that. So this just slides right in. It just slides right in like that, okay? So I wanted to show you guys those pieces because lots of people have been asking for these. They're going up on the website within the next 5 minutes. Okay, that's it. I got to get rolling. I have a ton more molds to list in my destash portion of the website. We are cleaning out all of the ones that have been used once for testing. We're clearing all of those out of here at an unbelievable price, you guys, $11, and that includes your shipping. It's unheard of. The only other thing that I want to talk about is I've had many people asking me how I am doing since I had my surgery to remove some skin cancer. I don't know if you can see right here. So it's looking really good. It looked really bad, but I think that is looking tremendous compared to what it was. So I'm doing well. Everything's good. And I hope you guys are all well. I hope the new year is starting off really well for all of you. So that's it for today, you guys. Just quick and easy little video just to show you what I got from Uncle Andy's and to show you these little pieces that are going to be for the Arbor press. I told you I'm not going anywhere. I'm just not going to be uploading regularly. When and if I have the time and desire to do so, that's when I will. I'm going to be concentrating more on the sister channel, which is bath bombs. But we do have our Patreon. I'm going to be building that up more. I was going to get rid of that, but bless your little hearts, you guys. You keep on messaging me. No, don't go. Don't do it. Don't shut it down. We like it. Do this, do that. Okay. All right. You know I'm a people pleaser, so we'll see what we can do on that end. All right. Until we do meet again, you guys, be kind and stay humble. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you around.